Welcome to the another video of Charismatic Planet, the colored pebbles of Lake McDonald. The Glacier National Park of the United States of Montana, near the border with Canada, is home to more than 700 lakes. Out of them, only 131 of these lakes have names, and about 200 lakes are over 5 acres in size. And a dozen of them surpasses thousands of acres, which is rare for mountain lakes. The lake's waters are extraordinarily clear, owing to the year-long low temperatures that forbid the growth of planktons. It is not rare to see details on the bottom of the lakes at depths of 30 feet or more. One of the most prominent features of some lakes is the existence of a variety of colorful rocks and pebbles just beneath the water surface and on the shores. The rock series colors varies from maroon to dark red and from blue to green. The colored pebbles of Lake McDonald are seen in a plenty on the shores of the western sides of the park. The stunning Lake McDonald is the largest of the lakes of Glacier National Park. It is with a surface area of 6,823 acres, almost the longest, at over 15 km, as well as the deepest lakes at 141 meters. Lake McDonald is home to various native species of trout and other game fish. However, catchable species include but are not limited to west slopes, cutthroat trout, rainbow trout, bull trout, lake trout, Lake Superior whitefish, mountain whitefish, Kokanee salmon, and suckers. The beautiful green rocks can be seen at Potocomi Lake, whereas the dark-colored rocks were found at the upper end of Lake McDonald. Along McDonald Creek and around Trout Lakes are the red and green iron-rich rocks to heat and pressure. These natural rocks are actually all around Glacier National Park and were created in different eras. When the glacier came, they broke down the rocks into miniature fragments and the river washed them away. Several of these got deposited onto the lakes and turned lakes formed by filling the bottom with ice-covered amphitheaters, although the water erosions then rendered them into smooth pebbles. Quoting from the book Glacier Western International Peace Park by Vicky Spring and Tom Kirkendall, the rock color is determined by the presence or absence of iron, and bright colored red rocks found along the Grinnell Glacier trails were deposited in a shallow ocean environment where the iron was oxidized by the tidal exposures to the air. The rocks with this coloration frequently have old ripples marks or ancient mud cracks lines. The rich green colored rocks were shaped in deeper water than the red rocks. These rocks comprises the same quantities of iron-bearing minerals. They did not have the same revelation to oxygen, and the amount of oxidation was limited. Therefore, the colored pebbles of Lake McDonald are a beautiful natural gift for this area. The Lake McDonald Park is protected by law, which means you cannot take anything from the park. Collecting colorful rocks, minerals, either for recreational or educational purpose is prohibited. If you are fond of swimming, then you have to travel to a nearby village located on the southwest shore of Lake McDonald. This is the only place in Glacier Park where families can enjoy and swim. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.